Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Lisa jump look in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. Okay, the first one guys, you can choose all this hairstyle and you're going to color it like this. Okay, and then for this one, for this bang, you're going to do adjustment. You can position it like this and just change the position. Alright, and for the makeup, you can make the makeup like this if you have custom makeup. But if you don't have custom makeup, you can choose any free makeup which is suitable for Lisa's look. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to put on this top from the masculine items. And then I'm going to make it this orange color. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this area and put on this top, and then we're going to make it the same color. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this shoes area and put on this shoes, and then I'm going to move to this area and I'm going to put on this jeans. Okay, for this jeans we're going to add pockets. And then we're going to make it this color. Okay, and I'm going to put on this necklace. And for the necklace, I'm going to make it to go to. And we're going to make it gray. Okay, and do adjustment. I'm going to change the Z position a little bit. Like this. Okay, that's enough. And then I'm going to go to this area and put on this belt. For the belt, you're going to add chains and you're going to add this bag. Okay, I'm going to make it this color for the first selection, and for the second selection, make it black. Okay, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the VIP room, but it's optional guys. If you don't have VIP, you can skip this bracelet. I'm going to add this bracelet and I'm going to make it black for the third selection. For the second selection, I'm going to make it gray. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Lisa's jump look in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!